Alright, and welcome to this video. I know what you're thinking. and yeah, I know what you're thinking. This is an extremely confused video. I have no really, this is all the structure I have. I'm gonna talk about uh, to you guys that are pretty much new to trading and want to trade, and but it doesn't really work for you. You lose money and you don't really know why, and you're confused, you're mad, you're angry, and you're just searching all over the internet. And yeah, I don't know how you ended up finding me, but here we are. I will. Yeah, first thing first. I'm sorry about my microphone. I did a fast check about it, and it sounds like total ass. As, yeah, really, really bad. And I'm sorry about that. I should make some improvement in that. However, um, I will be talking about trading. All right, that's what this video is about. Um, and pretty much how to make money in trading, and what to look for, and how to do it, and all that. So if you're new to trading, you are confused, you don't know what to do, you are looking at all these YouTube videos, all these guys that are saying, you should use this indicator, you should do this, this strategy is gonna double your money in 2 seconds, and all that. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Everyone says that in the YouTube and the internet. Not everyone, because here I am. Yeah, whatever. Uh, so, alright, so why should you listen to me? Yeah, that's a really great question, because you're watching a guy with only a paint with some text on. It doesn't look good at all, and I am totally buying that. So why should you listen to me? Well, I have been in the market for about 5 years, and it started the first year. I was probably like most of you guys, a confused guy that I liked what I saw, but I didn't know what I was looking at, the stock market. Um, but the years went on, and I learned a lot of things. I have read some books, and yeah, I took it to the next level and decided that this is what I want to do. It can cost what it costs. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna learn this, and yeah, I'm on that path. It goes forward. I am making actually. I'm not making as much profit as in the bull market, of course, because the market right now is. Yeah, you absolutely know how the market looks right now. It's absolute garbage. It's way worse than my microphone, and yeah. All right. I am an engineering student. I have been studying for 4 years. I'm soon finished, and I would say, a kind of typical guy, um, leaning more in at the nerdy um, stuff, but a very normal guy, I hope. Yeah, well, that's what I would say. Maybe, yeah, maybe I'm not. Probably I'm not. Whatever. That's another story. uh, I'm going way off, too often. All right. So first thing first, you need a strategy. I'm just going straight at it. You need a strategy. You are just so confused at all these indicators, and all the strategies and all the people that is telling you this and that and do that and look at this and do that and look at that and all that, and it's just garbage advice everywhere you look and hear. So you need a strategy, and you should probably not come up with one by yourself. You can, but it doesn't maximize the probability for you to earn money. You should probably take a strategy, begin with the strategy that one professional is using. And by professional, I mean a trader that has been trading for over 10 years and not like Sen Corona came, because everyone is a trader in the bull market. Everyone makes money in the bull market. So do not listen to just take a strategy from someone that knows what is doing. All right. That brings me into the next topic that should be maybe not self-explanatory. The question is, should you use indicators? Short answer, no. And I can explain a little bit why, but I'm trying to make this video like not too long, because I feel like I'm gonna talk a lot of stuff, and this is a really weird video. I don't know really why I'm doing this. Yeah, whatever. Should you use indicators? No, because indicators, if you look at, I have, well, I don't have to say it, but I'm just gonna say have been doing, and I'm doing some programming since I'm an engineer student. And if you look at the coding that is building up all these indicators, everything is based on what you see in the chart, basically, pretty much. Pretty much. It's all about volume, it's all about price action, it's all about time frames, time span, and that's pretty much it. So by that I mean just learn the basic components, and then you know why an indicator is showing this and that, and why it's looking in some way. All right, so learn about price action, learn about volume action, and by that I mean learn what this means. This one here, I can explain it, but it's, yeah, well, this is basically just volume, how many shares that is being traded at the one block. Well, it's not more into it, but it's more advanced than you can think, actually. And the price action is like the length and the wicks on each candle. Just learn why things are looking the way it is. All right, and that is by reading books and all that. All right, and if you want to be a real trader and not just a trader for 2 weeks and lose money and then quit and come back after half a year, because yeah, I've been there by myself, and it sucks. It really do, and I'm pretty sure everyone has been there. So what you want to do is pick up 2 books. This guy right here, he has been trading for I think 30 to 40 years, and he has been every year pretty much profitable, and he has won various championships, and in the championship he had a return of like 300+%, and yada yada. So this guy knows what he's talking about, and he recommends this book, and I think they are friends, it seems like. So I recommend this book and this book. This is a technical heavy book. It uses some fundamental, but it's more about the technicals. This is more about the fundamentals, but not, yeah, it takes up a much technical, but they are a good complement to each other. And this guy is also saying that these two books are pretty much everything you need in order to be a very successful trader and an investor, because this one is bringing up a lot of fundamentals. All right. Um, I don't know if you are like even following me. I'm just talking a lot of shit here. Um, yeah, it's kind of interesting because, um, yeah, whatever. Um, so, you have decided that you want to earn money. Where to learn about trading? Well, first thing first, that's a wrong mindset to have. To have the mindset of just, I want to earn money, I want to have that return, and yeah, I want to double my money in 1 week and all that. That's just wrong, and it's not gonna take you where you want to be taken in in the stock market world. Um, if you are interested in how trading actually works and why it works, and uh, trying to be a long-term investor, then the money is gonna come by itself. But the main, it sounds really stupid because that's like what trading is about, I know, but you can't have your focus on just pure money, because that is not gonna, you're not gonna be able to see the hints of the chart or the fundamentals, because you're gonna be so eager and you're gonna be so ignorant about some obvious signals, but you are maybe down a few percent, so you want to go up to break even, or you are up 20%, so now you think it can go to 60%, and yeah, it's just all about money, and it takes away the focus about the trading itself, because the trading is just pretty much numbers. Numbers have no feelings. It doesn't care about what you want. It doesn't care how you feel, if you're angry, if you're sad, if you want to make money. It just doesn't care. So just skip all that and just learn the chart, learn the fundamentals. Just read this book 2 times. Read this book 2 times. I have read, well, this book I have actually only read 2 times. This one I have read 3 times, and I have taken notes all the 3 times. And that's pretty much all you need, because they are like the yeah. Seriously, it has everything you need to know. You don't have to know anything else. Um, all right. Um, all right. Why should you listen to me? Have I answered that question? Why should you even listen to me in the first place? Yeah, that's a great question, because I have the answer. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to me at all. However, I'm just delivering some extremely important information that takes ages for a lot of people to realize. And I know there are simple steps, but like extremely few are taking these few steps. Just the step of just taking your garbage and losing streak ass to the bookstore and buy this book and buy this book and whatever, I don't care, buy some stock market book, because it's probably gonna deliver better information than I can, or than any other YouTube guy guru can. So just pick up a book and read it a few times, and then come back, and you're gonna be way more comfortable. All right. Um, I don't know why I just wrote insider buying. I think this was meant to just be like an extra tip, because studies have shown actually that, you can Google this if you want, but studies have shown that if you follow cluster buying is when a couple of maybe two, at the minimum of 2 or 3 people in a company is buying shares in their own companies, that is spiking the probability of you to earn money, for the stock price to go up, because they probably know something that you do not know, or anyone else know, or any investor know, because they are insider, they are working there. For example, the CFO or the CEO maybe, or like there is only one reason for an insider to buy a stock in their own company. That is that they know that, all right, we are doing good. The stock price is probably going to follow very soon. All right. There is a lot of reasons why one may sell the stock, but there is only one reason why you buy a stock. As food for thought. All right. I don't really have more bullet points to follow here. I'm just gonna freestyle a little bit. Yeah, well, I have been freestyling for 60 minutes pretty much, but yeah, my brain just lagged. We are gonna close this one. We are gonna close this one because I have talked about the inside trading. This is a beautiful webpage. Beautiful. I've been using this a lot. Here you can see all the insider trading. So this is how the page is looking when you open it. What you want to do basically, just if you want to go on the easy route, just unclick this, go on the purchase only, and traded K, minimum 5K per transaction. This is gonna show all the insider trading, the purchases that has been made. And for example, we can take rocket companies. So the CEO, Foreigner J, I hope that I pronounced that correct. He bought trading date. He bought in yesterday. He bought. Let's see. He bought. Yeah. Why is my brain always lagging? Yeah, easy saying, he bought a lot of shares, okay, for this sum, all right. And if you want, you can go here and you can see latest cluster buys, which means these company names. If we are gonna click in on one of these, we are gonna see a couple of people that has been buying the stock recently. For example, insiders 3. So if you click on this ticker, we're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different names has been buying this stock from 2021, in the middle of 2021, which can mean something, all right. Portfolio manager, all right. That's not a good looking price movement, but you get the point. So this is good to know, because in trading you want to maximize all the type of probabilities when you enter a trade. You want all of the probability, positive probability, to be on your side, or everything should point out that this stock is going up, and insider buying is one way to maximize your probability. Okay, maybe this video is gonna be quite too long if I am going to cover one strategy. Yeah, this is gonna be really long. I'm gonna take that in another video, I think. I was about to cover a video on a strategy. Whatever. I'm just gonna. It's gonna be enough for here. I don't know if you have got any out of this video. I certainly have to be better to deliver information. That's for sure. But hey, we are both working on it. You are gonna work on your trading, I'm gonna work on my delivery on information. So that's that. I'm gonna post this here and hopefully see. I wonder how many is gonna watch this. I'm gonna have like four viewers, but hey, hello to all my 4 viewers. I'm happy to just, if anyone sees this, it would be listen to my ugly ass voice at my garbage microphone talking about trading. Yeah, this is absolute mad. I'm gonna stop this recording here. Alright, bye.